Good morning, everyone. Here's an update on Mrs. W's tomato and pepper seed and plants. You can see here are the peppers. Many of them have sprouted, germinated, and some are just starting to get their first true leaves. We have seed leaves like this, but then there's these little tiny leaves. And those will grow up to be the ones that really feed the plant and help it grow. They need a little bit of water, I think. They look a little dry. Here are the new tomato seeds, the ones for this year that I bought. Look at how much those plants have grown. It's interesting to see that the plants in the very bottom row, those are cherry tomato plants, and their plants are little. They are much smaller than the tomato plants that are going to be really, really big and have those nice big round tomatoes. We're also seeing a difference in the leaves. We have some that look like what you would expect a tomato plant to look like. We expect their leaves to look like that. But then over here, we have one that has leaves like this that are more like arrow shaped. See? Like that. Oh, they smell very good now that I've moved them. And pretty soon we'll be pinching these leaves, their first leaves off, their seed leaves, taking them off, and that will help the plant to put more energy into growing its proper leaves. And here are the plants from last year's seeds. Not quite as good germination rate, but not bad. There we go. And they're working on it, and oh, they look like they need some water too. So I guess that's what I'll be doing later on today, is giving everybody a drink. And that's our update on Mrs. Wilderman's tomatoes and pepper plants. And we'll check back again next week to see how they look. Bye.